Hello, my name is Joseph Kayumba. Today I'm just going to give you an introduction on food allergy and intolerance training. Now, why this training? Having a good knowledge of food allergens and intolerance is something that everyone working in the food catering industry should have. Now, with the possibility to have a major impact on customers, it is important for food handlers to have a basic knowledge on allergen awareness training. Now, this training is for food handlers, food industry organizations, and business. If you work in a food catering, or maybe you want just to learn and understand what is food allergen, then this training is for you. So before we go any further, I would love to give you the difference between food allergy and food intolerance. So what is food allergy? Food allergy occurs when the immune system reacts to a food which is usually harmless to people, such as the proteins in milk, eggs, or not. Now, at the other end, food intolerance occurs when the body as a chemical reaction to eating a particular food or drink. Now, food allergy and food intolerance are commonly confused, as symptoms of food intolerance may resemble those of food allergy. Now, food intolerance, remember, does not involve the immune system, and it does not cause severe allergic reaction. Food intolerance means either the body can't properly digest the food that is eaten, or that a particular food might irritate the digestive system. Now, have you ever eaten a certain food to the point that you can't digest properly? That is intolerance. Now, living in the 21st century, eating safely when living with a food allergy, it is a massive challenge because we are presented with a different type of food. The only way to manage the condition is avoidance of the food that causes a reaction. Now, in the United Kingdom, there are approximately 1 to 2% of adults and 5 to 8% of children who live with a food allergy. 1 in 100 people have celiac disease. It is also estimated that there are approximately 10 deaths per year as a result of food allergens. Now, in this training, there will be 6 modules, which include an assessment at the end of your training. Once you have completed each module, you'll be able to complete the assess test for each module. You'll need to pass all 6 module tests to gain your certificate with 3 hours of CPD to demonstrate your knowledge. Now, these modules are divided into the following themes. In the first module, we are going to learn the effect that allergies have in the body. And in the module 2, we're going to cover the rules for allergen information. In module 3, we'll be covering managing allergens in the factory. In module 4, we'll be covering on how to provide accurate allergen information for pre-packed and non-pre-packed foods. And in module 5, we're going to be learning on how to manage allergens in a catering environment. And the last module, module 6, will be covering the use of voluntary labeling. So thank you so much, and if you are interested in a full training, please click the link below to access the full training, and subscribe to our videos to receive more tips on food safety allergy. Thank you, and I'll see you in the training.